Hi lovies, how are you doing? Hopefully you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we have such a very easy and quick hairstyle that you can achieve in 10 to 15 minutes using braiding hair. If you're my oldest subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. But if you are new to this family, you're welcome. I love you so much. My name is Glory Mtui. Before you leave, consider subscribing. Give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to turn on notification bell and share with your loved ones. When I start, I make sure I make my hair wet. I love work with my hair when it's wet, especially when it comes to style my hair using eco gel style, because I find once I spray some water on my hair and apply gel, the amount of gel I will use is fewer compared with the amount of gel I use when my hair is dry. And then I use eco style. You may use any kind of gel that works for you, because no specific gel you have to use. Anyone that works for you, just go for it. I apply on my hair, and before I apply, I make sure I'm working with small section to make this gel hold well and hold well. I mean, my hair really slick well. So I just work with small section and apply gel both side, back and front. Then I brush with the first brush. Same with back section. I just make sure I'm working with small section. I apply gel both sides, and then I brush my hair. So after the first I brush my hair and I hold all hair together, of course, have some hairs. It's very hard to slick well. With the big brush, it's almost impossible for those hair to slick well. So what I normally do is I pass again with this small brush. Then I brush again. Then I secure my hair for the second time. So after I secure my hair for the second time, I take scarf. Then I cover my hair for 20 minutes to 30 minutes. When I was doing my makeup and wait my hair become a little dry. If you are in rush, you may use blow dryer just to make sure the hair is dry, because once the hair is dry, the style come out more nicely. The hair I use is this Prima Afro. This is shorts and this is color one, but you may use any kind of braiding hair you have, and you may use any length you want. For me, I use this short because I don't want my top band to be so big. That's why I work with this short. And this is how my hair looks like after I take down the scarf. So here we go. Once you attach this hair, you must make sure you keep not too long and not too short, some amount of hair front, and then you may take another hairband. If you don't have hairband, you may use a rubber band, but make sure you use the hard one, and attach braiding hair together with your natural hair. So after you finish attach braiding hair with your natural hair, if you feel like the hair is not well, you may use brush and brush your braiding hair again. But if you feel it's okay, just go ahead and roll your braiding hair. Don't roll too tight, because once you roll too much, you pull the hair too much. Just roll medium, and once you are rolling, make sure you just grab on top of your bun to create this shape I'm creating here. So after I finish roll this braiding hair here, I go ahead and I use bobby pin to secure. I'm so sorry, that part I use bobby pin. I didn't record. So you have to add bobby pin to secure this band. So after I finish, I go ahead and I take small comb. I comb this front hair. Just make sure you pull them well. Then I take scissor and I trim a little bit of this hair because I don't want very long bang. Just want a little bit short, at least a little up from my brows. So just slowly trim, slowly, fewer hair, because at this point you don't want mess up. Then after I finish trim, I brush again to see how long it is. That I keep trimming and comb, trimming and comb, just to make sure I get the length I want. I'll also use this hair iron to iron this front part, but I'll use low heat because the braiding hair is different. Some other braiding hair, it's very easy to be burned once you use a little bit high heat. So the best way, or to avoid that thing, use low heat. Just take small hair or fewer hair and then iron. If you feel like your machine to iron is too hot, you may turn off when you continue iron your hair. After iron, just take your comb and comb it again to see how the hair looks like, and keep comb and iron till you feel satisfied. And you'll find that the more you iron your hair, the hair looks more beautiful and more light. So I keep trimming and iron, comb, trimming, iron and comb till I feel satisfied. And not only front part hair, even this hair I keep side to side. I also trim them just to make sure it's a little bit short. I just want this look a little like natural hair, not so fake. And guys, are almost done with this hairstyle. And this is the final result for today's video. Hopefully you enjoy watching and you get something. If yes, kindly give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe and don't forget to share this video with your loved one you wish they know how to achieve this look. I love you guys and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.